Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cake in a cooker. Grease and line your tin, sift dry ingredients, and whisk eggs with sugar until light. Fold flour gently into wet mix, then pour into the prepared tin. Place a heat diffuser in the cooker, set the tin on it, and cook on a steady low heat with the lid closed until a skewer comes out clean. Start with room temperature butter, eggs, and milk for a smoother batter that mixes evenly. Cream butter and sugar until fluffy, then add eggs one at a time for better emulsion. Alternate adding dry ingredients and milk to maintain batter volume. Pour into the prepared tin and smooth the top with a spatula. This approach yields a moist crumb and reliable rise when using a cooker instead of an oven. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful cooker baking tips. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how I think about money and priorities, and it pairs nicely with the calm of baking. I've dropped the link and a few deals in the description for you to check out, and now let's get back to the video. Set the cooker on the lowest steady heat and preheat for several minutes to stabilize temperature. Place the tin on a diffuser or trivet to stop direct heat from burning the base. Keep the lid closed as much as possible and rotate the tin once midway if needed for even browning. Check doneness by inserting a skewer into the center. If it comes out clean, remove and cool on a rack briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.